Hey everyone, I've got some news to share with you. A couple weeks ago, I tried enabling YouTube memberships so I could offer more in-depth guides, longer tutorials and deep dives that takes more time to produce. Unfortunately, the moment I turn it on, my watch time dropped significantly. And when the watch time drops, YouTube stops recommending my videos, which means fewer people discover content about open source tools, amazing self-hosted applications, and all the topics I love covering. Another thing, YouTube takes a huge cut from the membership. So I honestly didn't realize the impact it would have, both on the revenue and also on the visibility. So I've been thinking there must be a better way for all of us. But before I continue, I want to say a huge thank you to all of the current members who decided to support my efforts. I genuinely appreciate every one of you, and it shows me that the content I create has a real value and is worth the time, energy, and long nights that goes into producing it. So your support seriously means a lot, really. So, right now, I'm actively looking for a platform where I can express myself freely, publish everything without monetization, and make sure you don't see ads, period. And a place where I can finally cover topics that YouTube would probably take down or demonetize, or where I risk legal headaches just for talking honestly. There are so many subjects I wanted to dive into, but YouTube simply isn't the place for them. But you don't need to be worried, I will continue posting all of my normal videos on YouTube. That doesn't change at all. But I will be disabling the memberships there, and instead, all of my content plus premium content with no ads, monthly Q&A, community meetings and full premium courses will live on a dedicated platform where we are in control. So yeah, I looked into platforms like Circle.so or Heartbeat, but they are closed source, proprietary, and doesn't even have passkeys or 2FA. It's literally 2025. How you can ship a platform without basic security? Wake up. And there's Flarum or Discourse. Those are great, but they don't really fit what I'm trying to build either. Discord hasn't been performing well for my audience, and honestly, I don't think this is the right fit for the kind of content and community we try to build together. So, I'm hoping to launch everything before Black Friday so we can grab a great deal, but if not, there will be a limited lifetime deal when I launch. So, here's where I need your help. If you know any platforms I haven't discovered yet, or something open source and flexible that could work for a creator-driven community with courses, video Q&As, events, premium membership, let me know. Search engines haven't been helpful at all. So yeah, thanks a lot, and I really wanted to build something that respects your time, gives you a lot of value, and also isn't controlled by any algorithm or big corporation. So thank you everyone, and hopefully we will find something together.